Sometimes you just can't solder a plumbing joint. I've been working on this a couple nights ago for an hour. I moved the pipes over, I extended them, soldered everything up, and once in a while you get a joint. These were fine, I just readjusted them. Once in a while you get a joint that no matter how many times you resolder it, keeps on leaking. So I took it apart and I changed it. I put a new 90 on, they cost $1 each. So I put a new one on, cut it off, cut a hole in it. I put a new one on, same crap. So, I took it apart again, look at that. I cleaned it thoroughly, but that's copper. It should be full of silver solder. And the same thing over here. It kept leaking. Psss, psss. Oh, another spot over there. So I don't know what I did wrong or didn't do. I've got my cleaning brushes here. I got a brand new one. I got some genuine silver solder. I got some lead solder underneath there. There's lead solder there. Genuine lead used to be $5. So I'm going to clean this thing again thoroughly. I'm going to put some flux on it. Got some right there. I'm going to try resolder this joint so I can have some heat from this vintage radiator in my basement. Don't you love it? Sometimes you feel like a nut, and sometimes you're a plumber that can't get a leak to stop, or a joint to stop leaking. Lots of fittings here. I got them all right except for one. Luckily, I discovered I had a drain here. Otherwise, try to get that fitting off. No way, Jose. Probably got a name on it from 1920 or something. Don't make these like they used to. This one must weigh